Welcome back to My Espresso. In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Recipes tab. Recipes can be found in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Each of the recipes are categorized by beans. To sort and filter your results, you can do so at the top of the screen. When you tap the drop-down arrow, you can see that you can sort them by the time that they were last used, the total number of recipes they have, their average score, and by name. You can then sort these results in ascending or descending order. Tap a bean you're interested in. Now you can see all the recipes that use that bean. If you want to see a little bit more detail, long hold one of the cards here. This shows a short summary of the equipment and machines you used for this recipe. You can also sort these results by tapping the buttons at the top of the screen. For example, tap the score button to sort by score, or the calendar button to sort by the date, or the star button to only see your favorite recipes. Tap the recipe to see the recipe details. Here are all the recipe details. As you can see the score, dose yield, extraction time, and all the other equipment settings. To brew your espresso with this recipe, tap the coffee cup icon in the bottom right-hand corner. You can watch our other tutorial on this, which will guide you through the espresso brewing process. To edit this recipe, simply tap the pencil icon in the top right-hand corner. Now you can edit your recipe details. Simply tap and type over what you'd like to modify. Be sure to hit save to update your recipe. Another way to organize your recipes is by clicking the funnel icon in the top right-hand corner. This allows you to filter your results by machine, grinder, or basket. In this example, let's filter with my machine. Now all the results you see are for my machine and not any other machine. To view all the recipes again, tap to go back to the bean, then tap the filter icon in the right hand corner. Choose NA and click apply. Now you can see all your recipes for that bean again. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying My Espresso, be sure to let us know via our channels on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to like and subscribe.